Well, good day to you. Today is December the 21st. My name's Brian. We have a little small farm here in Summersville, West Virginia. Got 26 head of cattle. I got 4 calves, a few heifers, 1 bull, a couple cows. Just enjoy the farm life. Just been doing it since 2014, and I enjoy it very much. Messing with these cows and taking care of them. Thank God for them. God's give us an opportunity and the privilege to just to raise them up, and we eat a few of them, sell a few of them, and just enjoy watching them. So this is our first time once again trying to share with you just what a casual, normal day is on the farm. I'm a preacher. God called me to preach first and foremost about 20 years ago after I got saved, born again. And I'm a roofer by trade. Been roofing for several years. Got a little company that we do a lot of residential roofs around here in town and the county surrounding. But again, most of all, I enjoy God's people and serving the Lord, and He's given us these cows, this little herd that I've got. I've got a little farm here on Crooked Run Road, and that's where we come up with the name of Crooked Run Farm. Me and my wife. Son don't live here no longer. We got a grandson stays with us every now and then, but anyway, got a good neighborhood. But again, most of all, I just wanted to share with you the normal farm life. Of course, today it's been raining. It started raining early this morning, and it's been raining just about all day long. And it's supposed to continue to rain for the next several days. I don't know how to get this phone to turn back around. But anyway, we'll show you a few things here. A little barn that I've gotten built. It's a 24 by 60 that I put up last year. Well, this year actually. I had a few acres there that we've logged and got us a little extra money to build us a hay shed. Here's what it looks like. You just got a few bales of hay in there. There's my Ranger. And my tractor, I got a John Deere 5090, and yes, it's not paid for, but anyway, it's not a real big tractor. I love what I do. Again, first and foremost, we serve the Lord the best we know how to, and thank God for everything that He's provided for us. Again, most of all for saving us. But anyway, let's see if I can get this camera to turn around, which I cannot get it to turn, to show you